This is what you call getting it done with a Husqvarna. I'm on the weed eater patrol. He's on the big Husqvarna. That's the way you do it up here in the mountains. Get it to go. Let's go with it. Husqvarna's been a good one. Got the tractor tires on there. No slippage. It's gonna go somewhere. Not gonna get stuck. That's been a good machine. Hopefully it continues to be one. Yes sir, that mulching kit works excellent. Look at them lines going down through there. Perfect lines. Let me zoom in. Get them lines going down through there. Perfect. Oh yeah, stripes. Husqvarna with the mulching kit. You can tell just on this side, we hadn't cut this over here yet. We cut right through here and there. And we went down to the backyard. We'll go ahead and get around the house first, and then we'll come back and cut all this down in here. So ain't nothing, here it comes. Got the mulching kit, a little dusty up on the hill. But as it comes on down and gets down in the thick grass, it's just laying them pretty lines. Yep, laying them lines down. Put them stripes in. There we go. If you can see it or not, but laying perfect stripes in the yard. Perfect stripes. Tractor tires, they'll hang in there, it won't slip. Like I said, that's probably the best thing we ever thought about doing. It'll mulch up anything in the yard. If you got sticks or whatever, it'll take care of it. It'll mulch them down to nothing. See, it left nothing out there. We're mulched that nothing. It just abbreviated that thing. There's nothing left of it. So, yeah, it's does good. I highly recommend a mulching kit. Highly recommend. All right, we got the backyard done. Look at these nice, pretty stripes. They're all the way down. Well, if you can see them, they go all the way down here too. Stripes, stripes, stripes. Yeah, that Husqvarna lays it out. That mulching kit does a tremendous job of just shredding everything in its path. No matter if you got some sticks or leaves or whatever, they all gone. We had a little windstorm come through here the other day, yesterday matter of fact. Thought it was gonna get a lot of rain. The wind really really blew hard. And let me show you. I don't know if you can see it or not, but up in some of these oaks, they got a lot of little dead branches hanging down. I don't know, they say it's drought maybe or whatever, but the wind blows all them things out and then they all wind up in the yard. But anyway, you can tell that Husqvarna with that mulching kit just makes it look awesome. Awesome.